Hello, greetings and welcome everyone. So a quick update, there's one more workshop that's been added in January for Hermetics, starting the first Monday in January. So it's 10 days and we'll go through the fundamentals of the initiation text, elements, Akasha breathing, light, some of the visualization exercises, opening up the sense gates, and we'll personalize it for the people that are there as usual. If you're a healer, we'll work more on the healing aspects. If you're more into the clairvoyant type work, tarot reading type work, we'll focus on that aspect more. And if you're more in the martial arts field, Tai Chi field, then we'll bridge it for that area. Okay, so that's in the first Monday in January. I've extended my stay here to the end of January, so there's a space for 2 weeks at the end of January for another workshop. If you're interested in attending a workshop, then let me know. We've got the usual subjects of Tai Chi and Qigong, the initiation, and evocation. So the evocation will be open to people who have done the initiation work and have done the Qigong course. There's also a few people interested in just developing Akasha. So basically doing all the Akasha exercises. So there's a lot of variations of that as well. But again, I'm teaching this very, very small space here. So I can only fit 4 to 6 people. For the Qigong and the Tai Chi, we'll go and train in the park mostly. We'll do the sitting exercises here, and then all the standing exercises on the waterfront at the lake. And the Hermetics, everything will be done in this space. So it's relatively quiet, but there is sound problems every now and then. So if you are attending, you can expect to have a reasonable amount of concentration where traffic sounds in the distance and music from the neighbors and so forth doesn't bother you, as there's a small amount of that drifting through here and there. Okay. Thanks for your time, and see you on the next video.